Yo, it's like, what's up? On my way to go meet Ty, the guy from behind the rim. He's gonna be detailing the car, and I'm just gonna film him do it. Do like maybe a mini commercial, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get an interview. Yeah, if he's down for it. Yeah, so I just got done filming with the homie. The man's right here. Check him out. Y'all seen him a few times in like the clips and stuff from like maybe like Ambitious Whips, Cruise from the Troops, and like it was another the last video.
Maryland Motor Club.
Yeah, Prestigious Wheelhouse, like the one.
Synergy, Maryland and Virginia. Can't remember. I've been to JDM, I believe.
Yeah.
JDM meets. What's going on, Mike? What's going on, Vince and Crystalina? Yeah, those are some very popular, good meets to go to as well. And I really appreciate these guys for supporting me. Colin Shorter, he's a very supportive character. Yeah, he's very supportive. I love everybody who support me. All my customers are from the doctor who drives the Corvette. Here's the Cadillac over here. My friends who support me as well. So, yeah.
He wanted to pay me. He crazy. Like, come on, y'all know how Capricorns roll.
You gotta get paid.
Nah, but you doing something positive, dude.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
I appreciate that.
Yo, what's up? As you can tell, I'm in the house. Put the trash cans and stuff up, and brought the neighbor's trash who passed away. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah, a neighbor across the street passed away. Mr. Norman, the guy who used to cut our grass, like a few years ago, like when we first kind of moved in here. I brought their trash up. I'm not sure if they're gonna sell their house or what, but yeah, yo, that car was insane, dude. But dude was cool as fuck. I didn't put him in the vlog because I didn't know if he wanted to be in there. That car was crazy. I mean, I personally wouldn't buy one for myself because I'm not into like Cadillacs and all that stuff. But it's nice, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna see it hit up just because I'm a Honda freak. I'm gonna try to catch up with everything and then like do some editing and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll give y'all a sneak peek. Some shots that I took. Who's making all this noise with the exhaust? But I'm gonna finish editing it for Ty and see. So yeah, I'm done for the day. I was debating if I should go out and get my car cleaned, but probably gonna stay in the house. Short bus. I'm a fuck.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep Keep your goals to yourself, nigga. Translation: master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.